Hey guys, I'm over at Toowong on the western side of Brisbane to check out a job. A builder's asked me to come and have a look at what sort of termite protection might be needed before they start doing a massive renovation here. It looks like it's probably a 100-year-old building, and it's probably a good thing they got me out to have a quick look, because even though we're looking at what sort of preventative termite protection that would be required during construction, I've actually discovered termites in a number of areas. So there's nests in the gardens, there's plenty of stumps being eaten, but more importantly, there's a garage, and underneath the house there's mud leads and termite, evidence of termites right under the building. It's why we always recommend when you're doing a major renovation or an extension, it's best to do a proper termite inspection, get a qualified inspector out to do a full timber pest inspection before you start any renovations, in case there's termite activity there. If we start to do some demolition and we're starting to disturb things, where if there's termite activity there, it can get a little bit complicated and messy. It happens often enough, and we can handle it. If you do find termites while you're doing a renovation, then we certainly can do it, but it is much cleaner to treat the termites before you start any renovation. The main reason why we suggest it isn't just because it can help with the effectiveness of treating the termites properly, but it's the time pressure. Normally when you've got builders or trades contractors there, they're wanting to get the work done quickly, so trying to treat the termites does take time. It can take weeks or months sometimes. So when you've got that time constraint, it puts a lot of pressure and stress on everyone. If you're thinking of renovating, as I say, definitely look at the termite protection in the early stages, but even more so, consider getting an inspection done and making sure there isn't any termites that are going to cause an issue for the renovation. Cheers.